Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment for education at plus 0.32, with momentum at plus 0.65 over the last 24 hours. This isn't just noise, it's a significant shift compared to the historical baseline, indicating a growing positivity in discussions around education. Our API will return detailed sentiment scores, trends, and semantic clusters, allowing you to gain insights into the underlying themes driving this change. For example, if you're building a tool for educators, you could use this data to tailor content that resonates with current positive sentiments, enhancing engagement with your audience. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.